Welcome back, subscribers, and hello YouTube viewers. Continuing on our trek from Melbourne to Darwin with a motorhome that we're sort of relocating for $1 a day. We've got 9 days and we've now made it to the border of South Australia and the Northern Territory. So we're still in the outback and we'll capture as many things as we can on the way, get the drone up as often as we can, and let's see what we see. And the flies are still driving me nuts. So we're still at the border. This is what the border looks like. So they're welcoming you to the Northern Territory. Very good. And it's just an information sort of area. You can have barbecues here, as in you've got to start your own fire. There's bins here. I don't believe there's any toilets though, no. But you can camp up here for the night. There's a few information bits and pieces about the place. And they're saying not to drink the water even though there's a tank there, so I wouldn't drink the water. And here's your board. So obviously I'll try to get it relatively close. So we're way down here. We've just come over the border. And our goal is to obviously go all the way to there. Very, very good. So there's some information about road safety, which is great. Another map of Alice Springs. I'm going to be relatively quick. For some reason, these flies are quite persistent. Very good. Okay, I just wanted to jump in here and reiterate the fact that these are just a collection of small videos or clips, including using the drone and from my dash cam on what we sort of saw from the border of South Australia and the Northern Territory as I made my way up the Stuart Highway to Darwin. It's just a slow moving freight train coming into Darwin, right where I've parked for the evening. A lot of carriages. It's quite early in the morning, it's about 6 a.m. of a Saturday. Okay, so I'll just jump in here as we're coming to the end of this video, and also the end of the road trip. It was a fantastic opportunity. I cannot recommend it more. If those who are interested in relocating a motorhome, the place is the company that does it. It's called iMover.com. The link is in the description below. I'd also like to thank all those people who left comments, gave the thumbs up, and gave positive feedback. It's always most appreciated. But once again, if you're out there, stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day.